Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to TSO Crypto, your home for crypto TA. If you're catching this from live, welcome. I'm your host Martin. Today we are going to be talking about will the retrace happen? Again, thanks for being here. If you're into the content that we produce here, make sure that you hit the like, you hit the bell, you hit the sub, right? Turn on the bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links will be going out right now. So about starting late today, guys. I was working on something for the stream. I think you guys are going to enjoy it once you see it. It's going to look pretty cool. I think it looks pretty cool. But when the time comes up, we'll show it. All right. It's going to be a good stream tonight. Let me, it's Saturday, so let's look at let's crack this open, right? And get ready for an awesome stream. Cheers, guys. Happy Saturday. On that awesome note, Dingo, thank you very much for being here. Jeff Loomis, what's up, dude? Arthur, how's it going? And Jake, it's in the house with rockets. Thank you guys for showing up here. Let's get rolling and let's start looking at market cap, right? What is happening with market cap? Well, hidden bearish divergence from yesterday is still there. We didn't pump a lot more than from where we're at. I mean, we did pump and reject it, but that's fine. Again, hidden bearish, potential action downside. We might be coming down right now. Again, we're still getting consolidation here in crypto, so not going too crazy, right? Bought at 63.76. From yesterday to today, there's really not a lot happening. Carbon Tech didn't very much been here. Let's check Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance real quick. Let's go to Bitcoin dominance. Where are we at? Well, we did gain a little bit of dominance yesterday, 0.09. Today, gaining 0.51 means alts are dumping, but Bitcoin's dumping less. Alts are going down around 1.39%. Bitcoin's going down 0.59. Let's go check out the price of Bitcoin at 54,637, guys. Not bad. Again, flagging, consolidating this upper level. Starting to form what looks to be like an upsloping triangle to some sorts. Bought at 66.54 on the daily again. I did a video earlier if you catched it today. It's really nothing has shifted. We're still in the same range, 55,406 to 54,230. You guys should go and watch those videos that I put out in the day. If you haven't done so, you should watch them, hit the like on those videos, and make sure you watch them through, because I do cover other coins there as well, not just Bitcoin. Again, right, same thing. We're trying to get that potential triangle-looking consolidation happening here on Bitcoin. I did point it out. I did delete it as well. But what I pointed out was at something like this happening, right? So from here to here, and then something like this, right? So we're consolidating to what seems to be like a triangle. I think I did it for Bitcoin. I might have done it for another coin as well, but I think it was for Bitcoin. Anyways, hitting bullish. Got us to break back above that 20 and hold it as support. Right now, rejecting again at 55,406, coming back down. I did talk about potentially backtesting this area if we were to break it. Look at it on this 4-hour candle, backtested already. So we called out, I think I recorded around 1 p.m. Then by the time I finished editing, it was around 3. But whatever we called there, it's already happening. Went back down, hit that support. Still there. I mean, we're not really doing much. We still have this hidden divergence, and that's about it. I mean, I really wish we had more going on, but we don't. Here, if I zoom in, low, right? Still higher over here, so nothing there. And the only place we might be doing something is here, but I even doubt it. 230, 223. I mean, not even bullish divergence strong or anything like that. So not a lot happening since we did the stream, since I put the video earlier on the 4-hour Bitcoin. Man, look at this hidden divergence, getting us to rally. Right, we talked about this. Boom, getting us up above. And with this one, we called about yesterday, right? So we were here 9 p.m. Look at that. Boom, came up, rejecting. Boom, came back down, all the way down. 54,000. Right now we're waking it, testing that support, and we're rejecting. So we need to get above that 20 again, right? We need to get above that 20. We don't have anything bearish happening. We're just consolidating. That's it. Bitcoin consolidation. Let's move on to Ethereum, and then we're going to talk about, will the retrace happen? I'm still waiting for the retrace to happen. We're just consolidating at this level. Could get us to plateau and then pump back up, right? So we do not necessarily have to get retrace happening right now, although a retrace would be nice. Now let's go to Ethereum. Do this on the daily. Right. On the daily, what is happening? Bearish divergence, hidden potential fraction downside. Okay, moving back down, breaking below 3,324, and now we're losing that area. What happens if we lose it? Well, if we do lose it, we do have another support at 3,324. Hopefully, we're going to get back above it today, and still balance between that 3,641 to that 3,539. Is that the one up here? Yeah, 3,600. And 3,500, right? That's one we need to get above. 3,539. Get above that area. Again, nothing else happening besides that hidden divergence. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, bearish divergence, potential fraction downside. Boop, move down. All right, finally breaking this level. Broke below 20, finally breaking this level. So we're starting to retrace on Ethereum. Not strong though. We do need to retrace a little bit more. We're still neutral at 54.57. Where would be a little bit more? Well, back here, still 3,324 would not be bad after such a nice rally. Ethereum did try to consolidate here at this level, but still mainly upsloping stuff. We do need to get some downsloping consolidation, or at least a retrace to happen before we run up again. Not bad what we're doing, just pulling back a little bit. We might still be able to close the day above 3,539. Again, not really seeing anything off here with the chart. And if we wanted to look for a support line, I would be drawing a support line like this. And we're still holding on to that support, right? So we had strong bearish. And I'm going to leave the support line here for Ethereum and say on the 4-hour, right, we might be looking for balance at that level. There's nothing bullish right now. We might be creating some hidden bullish against the RSI, and I think, yeah, that's the only thing we could go with right now. Yeah, hidden bullish. So hidden bullish at a support, right? A trendline support that could give us what we need for us to not drop more and try to bounce a little bit, right? So that's it for Ethereum, man. After Ethereum, we're going to do the chat. After Ethereum, we're going to do the chat, and then we're going to check out ADA. On the 1-hour chart, bearish divergence. Moving us down. Low, lower, low, man. Are we doing more negative momentum? I think so, yeah. Oh, dude, this is going to be very, very close. I need to measure it. So let's get in here and see what this reads. 8.34, 8.20. It's still slightly less. All right, we're coming in lower. Yes, we do have strong bullish divergence, although it's so close on the value that I would say rather play it safe and say it's weak bullish divergence. And with that weak bullish divergence, again, we could be looking for some action to the upside. Scrog, what's up, dude? Thank you very much for being here, man. All right, guys, if you got questions, please put them on the chat. As this is the thing I was working on today. I hope you guys like it. Because it took me some nice amount of time to get this done. But let's go to the chat. Woo! There's the chat. All right. We don't have a lot happening, except for the latest comment, which is Scrog saying, yeah, ADA. All right. And he even looks as though I'm looking at the chat. That is awesome. This took some time. Soka helped me out a lot with this. I think it looks pretty nifty. Hey, Dingo 8 Masatoshi says nice. All right. Jake also says nice. And Rockets. Yeah, it's cool, right? The chat. Unfortunately, there's really not a lot happening on the chat tonight. It looks pretty cool. Yeah. Right. It was a pretty good effort to get it to work today. That's why we started late. We were just fine-tuning some stuff and rendering some of the graphics. Yeah, it's pretty nice, man. I like it. I think Soka did a good job. I told him the idea. We were started working on it, drafting it, and then it's looking good, man. It's looking good. Soka, thank you very much for that. Not sure if you're watching, but if you're watching, thank you, man. Again, guys, if you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit the like, you hit the bell, you hit the sub. This graphic I need to fix because this one's gonna pop up right there on top of the chat, or under the chat, but it's still gonna pop up right there, and it's gonna look bad. So I need to figure out where I'm gonna put it whenever we're on this just chatting window, right? No, chat from Twitch should come live, but there's no chat happening on Twitch. Look, I'll do here on Twitch something like, "Hello world." Right? So, if there was someone chatting on Twitch, it will be coming here. Earning the weekend beer. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's been a good day. It's been, man, recording a video throughout the day. It was fun, and then editing it was also fun. So, but I like this new, just chatting. I told you guys I was trying to figure out how I was gonna do this. For some time I was trying to put an overlay mat on top, and then have a cutout over there on the side for the chat, and then just have the just chatting app there, and then just me blown up, and then the chart somewhere. It's looking too bad. At least here we can at least see that there's a chart behind us, but it's not taking a lot of attention from what's happening, which is right now me talking with the chat, which is pretty cool. I like this effect. So it took us a little bit to get it working, and then I had to time everything on the stream deck to make it sure everything was popping up pretty good. That beer looked light and frosty. You're enjoying an amber bock yourself? All right, yeah. I'm having a Tecate, which is a lager. Good stuff. The tall boy. Oh, yeah. What do you think about Wi-Fi? You're on finance. I think it's okay. Man, I think they had their time. I haven't looked at them on the charts lately, so I would not be able to give you a really, really good idea as to what I would be thinking about them. But I would say we can check it out. All right. You do TSO Crypto, or TSO Crypto. We can check it out, guys. By the way, this chat, it's so pumping. This screen, so nice. Remember, I'm General So. And I really like this new chat version that we have. Instead of what we had before where the chat was always there, now we can bring it out, make it a little bit larger for you guys on the cell phone to be able to see if you're catching this on the replay, you're catching this somewhere else. Makes it really, really nice, and I really, really enjoy this. So, now that we've gone through the chat, let's get back to the charts. And we'll come back to the chat later again. It's even in Cincinnati's mode. Yeah. Cincinnati's mode with chart blur in the background. I'm not sure what you mean by that, Scrog, but thanks, man. I appreciate it. Let's go back. Now, things do take a little bit to come back to neutral because all the elements get turned off. Unfortunately, the stream deck does not automatically turn them on and off. They do take a little bit, but it's good. It's not bad. I like it. I enjoy it. Let's get going. Now, 8 up next, and then someone said Wi-Fi, so. Back to charting. It is. Ada. What is happening on Ada? I thought there were going to be a lot more people tonight to show it off. But it's a Saturday. I kept on forgetting that people do stuff on Saturdays. People have lives on Saturdays, Yeah. So I just watch crypto, man. Cinematic. All right, yeah. It's all good. Andrew, what's up, dude? Thank you for joining. Cardano, all right. So we have this stronghold consolidation still happening, still within that area, still above the 20. Nothing happening on the daily, neutral at 48.53. I mean, let's go to the 4-hour. Bearish divergence, action downside, moving down, hitting the 20, bouncing. All right. Nothing bearish happening, nothing bullish right now. Still consolidating, moving down right now. So low, high. I would wait a little bit here for a call. We are coming lower, but we still haven't closed this 4 hour. But what I would be looking at right now is if this stays slightly higher as it is, we'll be developing some hidden bullish. And with that, the possibility for us to go back up to the 20, that 20 moving average at $2.26 right now. That would be about it, though. I mean, there's really not a lot to go on, and I'm even like reserved with this because I do believe it could still go down a little bit more. I mean, I think we're going to go for that retrace. We'll see how Sunday plays. Let's go here and check what's happening. Mr. Facts just here, but quiet. Nice. Yeah. 1 second, man. So, after Wi-Fi, guys, we're going to do... After Wi-Fi, we're going to do chat, and then we're going to do, Gas Me? Dude, what? Andrew, you pick up the weirdest freaking projects ever, man. And AVAX, I guess. All right, AVAX. All right, cool. Right, there we go. All right, so ADA, come back down to the channel using it as support. So we did break it yesterday sometime, or when did we look at this? Yeah, today. We broke it today? I broke it, today. So we broke out of this area, right? We were here yesterday, somewhere around here. Yeah, we were flirting with this line, got above it, finally broke above that 20. Still rejected that line for bid. That confirms that we were on that channel. So basically what now we do is we chart this and we go, all right, what's the height of the channel? And that's a move that we should be expecting upon the breakout. But man, it's not really looking like it wants to go up there. So ADA coming back down, still finding support at the top part of the channel, which is good. But we're not developing anything here that's going to help us out, right? We're going low to a higher low on the price, negative momentum, less negative momentum, and a low point here on the R side to a higher point. Like I said, not a lot. Neutral at 40.68. Let's go and check out Wi-Fi. It's on Coinbase. All right. Cool. Let's do here. I think it's a Wi-Fi we look at. Yeah, I think it's a Wi-Fi we look at. Yeah, all right, cool. Someone said Wi-Fi, what's happening? All right, let's go on the daily. Wi-Fi, $33,521. All right, so not bad. We created some bullish divergence, pumping on that. We've seen this across crypto plenty of times. It's not really doing anything here super special. All right, strong bullish, pumping on that. Hidden bearish developing, with that the potential for action to downside rejection. We're getting a rejection right now at the 236. So we're getting the moves, right? We're getting the moves. Not bad here for Wi-Fi. Again, my stagnant might move down to 20 moving average, 30,888. That'll be the next target. Let's go to the 4 hour. That is if we do move down. Jeff, what's up, dude? Low to high here. Nothing bullish though. 4 hour, it's clear. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Breaking below 20. That could get us to go back down a little bit more. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. I mean, I really wish there was something else here. Low, high, more positive, higher. Nothing bearish happening there. Low, lower, low. All right, some strong bullish starting to develop. This could give us at least some possibility for action to the upside here on Wi-Fi, right? All right. So we are sitting sold at 36.18 again. Bullish average is strong, but that the possibility for action to the upside. Primary target, the 20 moving average at $34,308. Above there, we're going to have this fib retracement, and that is going to be right around the 34,696. Which fib retracement are we hitting, dude? That's a good question, because I got to swim out the 236 apparently. And this fibs are rolled. Guess what? Updated fibs for Wi-Fi. Let's update them fibs, right? Let's see where we're at. All right, so our high point is over here. All right. Then our lowest point is right around there. So we're starting to retrace. We're still below the 236 here, and that should be our target after we get above the 20 also on the 1 hour chart. With that said, it's at $39,148. That's the move that we're waiting to see here, man. On that move, if we do go somewhere up here around this level, I do believe we might be creating a up with handle. We'll see if we're pumping 30%. Yep, more than 30%. So Yeah, if this goes up to this level here, around the 42,955, man, we'll be creating a very nice cup formation here. Just have to wait for that candle and then look for that potential break on the move. Let's go to the chat. The chat, what is happening, guys? Ooh. It's been faxes up here. Cavern Tech, nice shot window. All right, already that. No longer ADA chills, the better I feel about hitting this steak bag. All right. And Jeff's is here also. All right, cool. Am I missing something else? It's on Coinbase. All right, that comment's not coming up here. All right, no, it is here. It's Coinbase. All right, nice. Kevin, what's up, dude? Again, we're always trying to improve the chat, right? So, did I miss anything? Oh, you're welcome, Arthur. Thank you for requesting, friend.
Thank you very much.
Right on, dude. So I think that's it for the chat. There's really not a lot happening. I thought there was going to be more stuff happening by now. But let's go and check out Jasmine and Avax. Right, let's get out of this chatting window. Back onto the charts, right? Can I double check Bitcoin? Yeah, I can go back to it in a bit. All right. Jasmine. It sounds like medicine. Jasmine, not for everyone. It may cause poorness, baggage leaks, money drops. All right, so something happened here. Large wick to the upside, come back down. It could be the Coinbase effect. Dropping a bit, all right, trying to come back up right now, about 11%. Again, there's really nothing to look here. No MACD, no RSI, volume profiles there, but, you know, we do seem to have a lot of strength on the movement down, then dying out a bit, pumping right now, but not with a lot of volume. It is Sunday. Monday could give continuation to the downside. I mean, not a lot here, so we'll see. Thanks, Sekmar, and we'll go to the chat in a little bit again. So, we are having a resistance line here, and I think we're breaking it right now. Look at that, breaking that resistance line. It's about the only thing I can do here, man. It's gone bullish, so, you know, short-term bullishness here on breaking that resistance line. Let's get this to be on the blue color. Nothing developing though. I mean, pivot. High to low, hitting that 382 right now, trying to get above it. Next target, the 50% retrace at 0.057. Then above there, 618 at 0.06. All right, let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, what do we have? Oh, man. We are slightly creating strong bearish. No, hidden bearish. We're slightly below on the price. So high to low. Barely, right? Barely low. Put this here on the 1 hour only. And we're coming up higher, so hidden bearish, and this candle should be trying to break it. Hopefully we have this against the MACD and the RSI. If we fail, it's because we do have this hidden bearish, right? We could give us some sideways motion, maybe action downside, targeting that 20 moving average on a movement down. 0.049, not bad. You're getting it at 0.05. It's not bad. 0.054 right now, so you're doing almost 10% gains. Not bad, Andrew. Heard about Jasmine yesterday. All right, now that's about it. There's really not a lot happening. There's, like, you know, no audible bottom, no inverse head and shoulders, no cup and handle, nothing like that yet. So we gotta wait for something to develop. And there's also not a lot of data for us to go on and infer what could happen. If I were to put the 200 moving average here, we're not gonna get enough data for it to chart. It's brand new, so again, just proceed with caution. Let's go and check out. Oh no, what do we do? I was going to check out Ava. Oh, no, Dad, man, what? All right, Avax. What is Avax at? Avax to the dollar at 59.65. All right. Daily. All right. Bearish divergence with that. A possibility for action to the downside. So, back down. All right. Are we doing more negative momentum here? Nope. Right, so higher, less negative momentum. Are we coming lower here on the RSI? We are. All right, some hidden bullish divergence in AVAX against the RSI. With that, potential for action to upside, maybe sideways motion. On a movement up, we should be targeting that 20 moving average. And we're going to check it out in a second and see where that 20 moving average can be at. And where that 20 at? 20 moving average is sitting at $65.72. Not a bad move if AVAX wanted to move up. Guess what? AVAX outdated fibs as well, because with the move up that we got here, we need to update them fibs, right? So let's get rid of this. And let's go from the low point here. We'll pinpoint in a second, but the low point here to the high point here. That one I do want to get closer. Now I can go and pin the lower point. There we go. So lowest point, highest point, retracing, hitting that 236, rejecting right now. Look at that spot on rejection off that 236 here on AVAX. Look, rejecting right now, opening right there, rejecting, hitting, and rejecting again. So we are rejecting that 236. Not bad, not a bad move for AVAX here on the daily. Where can we go? If we do drop, we're going to have support there by the bottom part of the Bollinger Bands right now at $56.08. Dropping below that area, 382 at $50.61. But we could try to reclaim this area. We have hidden divergence. We should be aiming for the 20, but we have an immediate resistance above us, and that is at that 236. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour. So coming down, lower, lower, and lower still. Nothing here that is bullish, right? No, sorry, bearish. Let's go look for the bullishness. There is some strong bullish. My nose itches now. There's bullishness. Bullish divergence is here. All right, so let's get this here just on the 4-hour chart. All right, so bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. Went up, hit the 20, try to get above it, rejecting. Nothing bearish happening here though. Maybe on the 1 hour we have something. Come back down a bit, a low to high, negative plus. There's nothing else happening after that. So if this low fails to break lower than the previous low that we have here at around $58, we could be looking for some continuation on AVAX to the upside, right? So if we fail to get below that area, we could be looking to go slightly higher still. So let's get this to show on all-time scales, and we can also see where we're at in the 4-hour. So yeah, again, very nice, right? Look, 4-hour candle rejecting this one, rejecting also. 1-hour chart. Alrighty, let's get here on the 4-hour, man. Bearish divergence. Remember how I told you we didn't have anything on the 4-hour? We're gonna find it here on the 1. Here it is on the 1-hour chart. Bearish divergence for AVAX. And there, we're gonna move down on that. We are moving down on that. And then some, right? Low, lower low, less negative momentum, higher on the RSI probably, and we'll see in a second. But at least against the MACD, we do have this strong bullish divergence here on AVAX, and with that, the possibility for action to the upside, man. I mean, there we go. Now we're gonna go here real quick. Ooh, we can say sideways. We're going to say sideways. So against the RSI, weak bullish divergence, against the MACD, strong bullish. With that, the possibility for action to the upside. 20 moving average, our target right now. 20 moving average at $60.71. Now, can we drop more and still have divergence? Yeah, this could drop a little bit more. We'll still be making more negative momentum. So long as we don't make as much negative momentum as we made back here, which is at 0.42, we're going to be good, right? So anything above, below 0.42 still gets us to have divergence, bullish, strong. And with that, the possibility for action to the upside. We're probably going to lose it against the RSI if we do drop there. Let's go and check out the chat again. All right, so Arthur. Sorry, first. Yeah, Arthur. What do you feel about BSB? I haven't looked at BSB. Kevin. Was it a possibility for Bitcoin dumping around 50K tonight? Andrew's just saying, you're welcome, Andrew. Thank you very much for being here. Much appreciated, friend. Cheers, guys. Happy Saturday. Oh, man. Well deserved beer. All right, so I guess that's not a lot happening on the chat. Let's go back to the charts. Back to the charts it is. Let's go back to the corn. There was a question about Bitcoin happening, and we're going to check it out right now. so Bitcoin on the daily. What's the chance of it dropping to 50,000 tonight? All right, so let's talk about this. You have an immediate support of 54,230 that has held. If we do break, I do believe we're going to have a target of 50,119. We might stop around that area and try to reverse. If we do drop there, I do believe we might be creating some bullish divergence, probably hidden. That could give us an area for support. Yet to be determined though, right? So 52,119. Then below there, 51,250 is also, it's also support. So if you ask me, are we going to drop there tonight? I'm going to say, yeah, we might drop to 50,000, but right, maybe not tonight, man. It is Saturday. Who knows? Saturdays are they're weird because there's not a lot of people trading. At least institutional investors are not trading. So it's just, regular folks trading and they could make it go down. Oh, we'll see. It's Chart Martin. Jake's correct. My name used to be here on the old streams. Removed it with the new layout. I haven't figured out where I want to put it yet. Again, we're still working things out here with the new layout. It's just basically everything changed. When did we change layout? 2 days ago, and then it's a work in progress. So I wanted to get the chat running today, and we're still figuring out like that thing up there in the corner that says @steadycrypto. @TSO Crypto asset. I'm not sure if we're gonna keep it there. It's kind of cool to let you guys know how to request, but I mean, doesn't look as good. I might bring in a graphic like the one I have up there for the just chatting that I just trigger every now and then, or I just put an automatic, and every couple minutes is gonna come out into the chart and say request coin @TSO Crypto asset, and that's gonna be it. We'll figure it out. I'm figuring things out still with this new layout that we're using. I do want to make it look really nice though, right? How about the hourly, right? Moving down again, 4 hour support, not bad at the 20. 1 hour, I mean, we're pushing back up. We need to get above the 20 moving average. Nothing bullish happening here. Dude, I'm just gonna double check here. Lower. Hidden bullish. I missed this one. On the first run through, I missed this one. How did I miss it? Thanks for that double check request. Hidden bullish divergence. Potential fraction to upside. That's where we're bouncing. Target the 20 moving average at 54,861. Now we did have bearish divergence back here, moving back down. Same time Monday. It's a good question. I mean, what's today? Saturday. I'll let you know tomorrow. I'm not sure. I want to change the stream times, but we'll talk about that in a bit. Neutral at 49.05. That is it for Bitcoin. Let's go again to the chat real quick. So we can just, when we're here, we're not charting. We're just chatting, right? This is just the chat portion of the stream. All right, so it makes sense to stream on Monday. I want to move the stream to 8 p.m. A lot of you guys did say that. By the way, if you're having fun tonight, type 1. If you're not having fun, don't type anything. No, I'm kidding. Type 2. How about the hourly, man? We already talked about that. So stream Monday. Yeah, I want to change it to 8 p.m. It gives me a little bit more time to do other stuff afterwards. Particularly work on the post State of Crypto video that I placed today in the afternoon. Because yesterday I just finished. I was so tired, man. I didn't really feel like doing that video. So what I do want to do is whenever I just, finish the stream, like wait about an hour, sit down, and then just look at what the market's doing. And by that time, it's already around 10, almost 11. So if I'm gonna wait about an hour, it'll be 10 p.m. I can start working on that new chart for the market and see what's happening and look at the coins and do something that we haven't covered in the stream. So I do want to keep on making those static videos or those long format videos that are not live, but for that I really need time, and that time I need to get it from at least moving the stream 1 hour earlier to the 8 p.m. time slot. So we're gonna be probably doing that soon. Not sure when, but we're gonna be doing that soon. I'm not sure. We will be letting people know. We're a couple days in advance. So not a lot of people in tonight that are the regulars. So we'll be waiting on that. Cheers, guys. All right. So what else are we gonna do here, man? A lot of people having fun. So a lot of people are having fun. Thank you guys for joining. Having fun here at TSO Crypto. I'm having so much fun being here. I like this new graphics, man. And actually, I'm reading the chat from up there where it's actually at. So I'm gonna point it like that because it's right over there in the window. But yeah, it looks cool. It looks nice that it's there. Because I actually do have the chat window right next to that, so it just looks so nice that I'm looking that way, and it just works great. Anyways, I'm enjoying having these new things happening right on the stream. Like, we had the layout from the beginning, which is old, like the old layout. Then we had our layout from the old layout that got cluttered, and then we had to fix it and to the layout that we had before this, and now we have this new style, which I'm liking, so it's good. Looks like Dot is pumping. All right, we can go check out Dot. Let's put that here on the list. Again, no coin list coming out, but you know, I'm also working on how to integrate a coin list onto the new layout and make it look, you know, good into the layout. So gotta figure that out as well. Anyways, you said that, so we're gonna go check it. Let's go back to the charts. All right. So, Dot. Is it really pumping? Is it moving? Is it going up a lot? I mean, yeah, considering the market's going down, going up 2.34% is not bad. Dot running right now. It looks as though we're bouncing out to 20. Very nice. Let's check in the daily, though. On the daily, yesterday we rallied 8.94%. Today, 2.45. All right. That's so Martin. I know, dude. Thank you. That's so Elon of you to be lurking until now. Anyways, we're still coming lower. High point, lower point. Starting to create some hidden bearish against the MACD, but you know, I think we get rid of it. I think we need to pump above that line, and then we'll be golden. We'll be set for Dot, right? So rejecting 36. Retracement at $37.47 right now, $37.11. Like I said, we can try to get above that area. Bought at 63.79. Let's go to the 4 hour because there's really not a lot happening here. Someone could say this is a double bottom. I could say, yeah, it looks like a double bottom. Not playing like a double bottom yet. We should have gone with a little bit more strength, dude. Was there anything bullish happening here? Slightly lower, more negative, lower still. Nothing bullish happening to accompany the movement up. 4 hour chart. Let's go. Lurk gang, I know. All right, we'll go back to the chat in a bit. I gotta remember. I gotta stop looking at the chat when I'm live. Plus, that chat's over there, and then I'm looking over here. So let's keep rolling. Let's see this in the 4 hour, right? So down to the 4 hour, bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside. And we're going to move down on that. If we do move, again, 20 moving average support. Right now we'll be at $34.15. By the time we move down, the 20 moving average is going to keep on moving. So it's going to shift. Just know that the 20 is the target. We're bought at 71.90. Again, it's the RSI. We don't have a lot happening still, but against the MACD, look at this. Even back here, we had that bullish divergence strong. So that's what's putting us down. Not a lot happening, like I said. So let's see. Do we have anything bullish? Hidden bullish? Strong bullish here? 127. 125. All right, we can say there was strong bullish against the MACD, but again, this already played, right? This already played us to the upside. So right now, strong bearish. Not only did it play us to the upside, right? Strong bullish plays to the upside, bearish divergence, breaking us down, not even hitting the 20 and bouncing again. So not bad. On the daily, we did hit that 20 and bounce. So let's go to the 1 hour. Right now, I mean, we're rejecting a fifth retracement with strong bearish divergence. That could get us to go back down at least to the 20. If we break the 20, next target would be down here around $31.07. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Yo, Jake, thank you very much for being here, man. Thank you for joining me tonight. And yeah, awesome, bro. It is late, man. We started late, so I'm also gonna be ending here soonish. Gotta get some rest, guys. Gotta get some rest. Rest is good. You don't want to be trading when you're tired. You gotta train the right mindset. And being tired, you're not gonna make good decisions. You always rest. There you go. Get good rest is key to a lot of things in life. All right, so strong bullish divergence got us to move up here on DOT. Now we do have strong bearish at resistance with that possibility for action downside. 20 moving average here, $35.78. So on the 1 hour, bearish divergence, potential action downside. 4 hour, bearish divergence, potential for action to downside. And on the daily, we are clear. Sorry, hidden bearish. So hidden bearish on the daily, strong bearish and on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. With that, there are at least 3 bearish indicators that we have: daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, possibility for a movement down to happen. Let's go and check the chat real quick before we log off and go back to Bitcoin, and then we'll log off, right? So the chat, what is happening in the chat? So right, what's the point? What's an entry point for DOT? That is a good question. That is a good question. Right now, we'll be looking for a retrace to happen. So we can talk about that in a bit. Just give me 1 second there, Arthur. Or no, who was it that requested that? The good entry for DOT. It was Kevin. All right, so we'll talk about that in a second. May, what's up, dude? All right, so that's it. Let's get out of the chat. Let's go back to the stream. Let's go back to the live. All right. What would be a good entry here, man? I mean, breaking that 236 could be a good entry. How would you enter? You basically enter there and place a stop loss there in case you do go up, come back down. You want to exit somewhere near that 236 in case it does drop, right? It could be a good entry. Like I said, it could be. There is this from the daily? Yeah, it might be. I'm not sure. Anyways, might have been looking here for some hidden divergence that didn't play, so we'll get rid of this. So on a pullback though, on a pullback you want to get in near this bottom line here at the 382, $30.94. The 4 hour, man. I mean, there's really not a lot happening. Even if we go to the 20, we might be creating some hidden bullish against the MACD. So then you might be looking for an entry around the 20 moving average if it starts to drop more. And on the 1 hour, I would just say be reserved because there's bearish divergence. Right now, at least I would be expecting for this to move down a bit because there's a lot of bearish divergence happening on the chart, on the market. But so that's gonna be it for tonight, guys. Guys, thanks for watching. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick before we log off. $54,738. Man, again, finding that nice support here with hidden divergence. With that trying to rally, we almost hit that 20 moving average. Very, very nice move. You're on the corner. When did we move that? When did we do that move? It was probably not a long time ago. We just did it on this candle. Ha! So we talked about that earlier. Remember, we said we might be going for that move, the 20 moving average. Got very close to it. Not bad. Not bad. Guys, that's it. That's gonna be it for tonight. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the subs. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is an awesome channel. Help us by retweeting our tweets, by sharing us on social media, right? Or lives, or static videos, right? All that helps bring attention to the channel, and all awareness is greatly appreciated. We do want to grow this community with people, like-minded individuals like yourselves. So if you help me by, sharing with people that are in your circle of community, friends, whatever, you share it with someone else, they share it with someone else, then, it's an exponential thing. And in the end, we're all friends here talking crypto, and that's what I want for this community to be, a community of just friends talking. And again, we do have an awesome community. Thank you guys for joining me. Remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. On that note, thank you for joining me tonight on Saturday. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of TSO Crypto. Until then.